They had to go do something, but we got markets opening up here in less than a minute. Yesterday, we're finding resistance up here. We could break through today and start going crazy, or maybe tomorrow or next week, or we can keep chopping around, or we can start to head back down. So we're kind of in the middle of nowhere. On an hourly, we got this resistance right here that we already came up to. So until we get through here, you can't really look for long positions until you get through that area right here. Then you got this support really. The 30-minute open kind of bearish. I might be taking some sales soon because that's a 30-minute open bearish, 15-minute nice, and we're already getting a nice top wick off of it. What are these stops looking like? If we can hold up here for 1 minute, I might take a stab at it. If we can hold up here to this minute closes, then the next minute. Yeah. Nice. Alright, so we ended up dropping, so we can't. But this 30-minute close bearish. This 30-minute should come down. And that wick entry was pretty nice, but I was not at the chair long enough to see that. I just got back here about 30 seconds ago. If this 5 minute can push up, I might get in either up here or on the flip. If this 5 minute can push upwards first. I got a sell stop on the flip. Alright, I just got in some positions. I'm looking for the 30 minutes to drop. My stops are going to be above the highs. Going to be about a 3-point stop, 4-point stop above the highs. If we can get this thing to drop, 30 minutes can continue down. That'd be great. Great news for us. Next 5 minutes about to open up in 20 seconds. We should get a continuation. Should get a continuation down with the next 5-minute open. get back to my scalping. I'm gonna take profits there. I changed from trading option trading to trading futures, so I got the ability to take more than one trade now. So there's no reason for me to start holding on to like I was doing the other 2 days, trying to hold on to big winners. Just take my quick scalps, obvious setups, and wait another 30 minutes and take another quick scalp. That's how I get my W's. So that's a W trade right there. We got the 30-minute curl. That's exactly what we want to see. This thing has potential to keep running, but it also has potential to flip because the hourly is bullish. So at any given moment, this 9 o'clock hour could flip. Now, if this hourly closes bearish, then the 10 o'clock candle should come down. And if that's the case, then we can take some more sells at 10 o'clock and get in a second position at 10. But as a W trade, we'll see in 30 minutes, see in 18 minutes how the market is looking. on this trade, it's rather than closing full, if I would have had just moved my stop loss, which was up here, to above the previous candle high, which is right here, other this 5 minute. If this 5 minute flipped, then it should likely go back up, hit break even, draw down, whatever. We don't want that. So we move our stop loss to right here, which is in profit. So if the market comes up and hits this, then the trade will be closed out in profit. I would have had locked in, a 3-pip trade, a three point trade, which it's a good trade. 3-point trade is a good trade. I mean, I only locked in an extra, what was it? What would I even get? I mean, I only locked in 4, so barely a difference. So if I would have moved stops here, it looks like the market's about to come and hit it now. Yeah, the market just broke the highs. So if I would have moved stops here, boom, stops hit, the trade closed and profits. And by doing that, that will give me the ability to hold runners all the way down here, even farther down, without risking any other move. But I would have actually deleted the stop loss here because this is a 15-minute open. Oh, never mind. Oh, this is a 15-minute open. I would have kept it. I would have kept stops right there, and they would have been hit. But so it's just different ways of how to manage risk. This trade, I decided to close full. But other trades, I might be like, I'm moving stops here, I'm moving stops here. But yeah, see, once we broke these highs, now look at it, it's coming all the way up to a break even. So this is a way to protect yourself. But now the hourly is flipping, only 7 minutes left. Hopefully in these next 7 minutes we actually close back bearish. 15 minutes if the 15 minute closes below here, hourly closes bearish, we might get, and then the next 15 minute candle starts off pushing and then flips, we can get in some more sales down here with the stops above wherever the high is. So right now the market's giving us opportunity. We just gotta see how it closes. This is a good, in 6 minutes if it closes like this, is a good closure. If this 5 minute closes bearish, that'd be great. If this 5 minute can close bearish, like right here, not all the way down here, just like right here. Next 5 minute, next hourly, everything. Yeah, I'm seeing this thing coming down. But I'm gonna need that. This is the last 5 minute candle. This 5 minute candle is gonna tell us everything we need to know. Possible close we could have gotten. Hourly closes bullish. Week bullish at that. Week bullish at that and underneath the resistance. So I mean we can't take buys, but since it did close bullish, we cannot take sales. Since everything's closed, every 30-minute bullish, hourly bullish, 15-minute very bullish, we can't take sales off of that. So we're gonna have to sit here for a sec. The only way I could take sales is if the 10 o'clock candle opens up with no bottom wick and just goes straight up, and then we can maybe look for a sell on the flip. If it comes straight up, does not break these highs, because this could just be liquidity grab. That's a risky move. See, right now it's coming down, so now that's good for the buyers. If it comes down, then we can flip, start to grind up. Yeah, that's good for the buyers. Not good for me who's trying to sell. But it looks like we're gonna be sitting here for a little bit, cause there ain't nothing. But see, that's why I took my quick profits. Yeah, we took profit a little bit early, a little bit premature. We only took 4 when the trade gave us 8, but if we did not take anything, we'd be at drawdown right now, at risk of hitting stop loss or break even. We most likely be break even. It'd be dumb if I let that W trade hit stops. I need more confidence to work on these wick entries, because that thing wicked up and it gave us better entries up here. We could have got an extra, I need a little bit more confidence with these wick entries. Yeah, this is kind of nice. If this thing pushes and doesn't break these highs, or even if it does break that, yeah, actually, because this one didn't break these highs, this one didn't break these highs, this one didn't break these highs, so this one should not break these highs if we want to come down. So I'm not getting these positions, but if this thing flips, that's nice sales. Well, not nice sales, that's why I'm not getting in. But this thing has potential to fall, so we're just gonna paper trade this. Just watch it. In the video, if this thing flips, that thing can keep coming down. Hourly close very bearish, but it's right at support. Once this thing gives us a top wick for this candle right here, this candle will have a top wick. Once this thing gives a top wick, it has potential to come back down, but it also has resistance. Those are just trades on the side while we wait for ours to set up. Google, nothing, just falling. Apple, bullish. Apple loves going against the market. Right? I don't know what Apple problem is. The market comes down, Apple goes up. Market goes up, Apple comes down. This thing flips, it broke the highs, grabbed some liquidity, broke these highs, clean break. If this thing flips, it could be violent. It could be violent, move down. But I can't take that because it's against my trade setup. This one's a bullish candle. Alright, so but if we do break out, if we break out in the 30-minute closes, so if the 30-minute and 24 minutes closes above, then we can be looking for buys. And if the 30-minute right here and 24 minutes comes down, closes bearish, then I take the next 30-minute down. Oh yeah, the buyers are stepping in now. Here again, this thing going.
calls, but even that.
This 5 minute shooting star right at resistance, breaking highs. That's a very bearish thing. If this thing closes bearish, what a stop light on this. If this thing closes bearish, we'd be risking our last trade profits on this trade. But in 16 seconds, it's not gonna close bearish, so that's good news for us because that was looking kind of nice, and I was thinking about taking it. But now that it closed outside bullish, we don't gotta think about it no more. So now this range basically got filled. So we probably can't be taking buys. The range got filled from these lows to these highs. It's already filled, most of it. Only way we take buys now is if it closes down here and leaves a nice wick. If it closes like right here and leaves a nice wick, then we'll get in. But if it closes anything up here, then I don't know. Market just giving us a little bit more liquidity for us to really fall hard. This 5 minute has no bottom wick, and it's already coming back down. If this 5-minute closes back inside, I'd be considering some sales. We need to close our back inside. And 1 minute. Yeah, see, QQQ actually looking great. This is what we want a SPY to look like. Bearish closure, they're flipping on the 30. So if the QQQ is coming down, then that means the SPY should, be coming down with it. And the SPY is lagging behind because the QQQ is in the middle of the range, almost near the lows, while the SPY is at the top of the range. So the SPY got some work to do. That means there is some profit on the table. If we can chill out, if the next 15 minute can open up, give us a top wick. Even though it's kind of closing bullish, if the next 15 minute can open up and give us a top wick, I'll get in on some sales for the bottom. this trade looking pretty decent. You know, if this 30 minute, since this 15 minute gave us a bottom weight before giving us a top weight, I mean, I could get in right now on the flip, but I'd just rather wait 11 minutes. If this 30 minute closes bearish, then it's very likely that the next 30 minute will come down. So might as well wait for, we took an L yesterday. Yesterday's trade was an L simply because we didn't wait for the closures. Yesterday we just, we thought this zone was gonna hold better, so we got in some sales when market pushed into it, and then, but if we would have just waited for closures, then we would have seen, oh, it broke through and closed above 30-minute, everything closed above. That's a bullish move. So we were just waiting for closures rather than trying to anticipate the market. Then we could have actually been on the sidelines, and then boom, got in long positions right here, and that would have been easy dub. Easy dub that we missed out on because we jumped the gun, tried to anticipate. But my trading strategy works off of closures. So right now we don't have a closure. Right now this is a bullish candle. So at any given moment, this candle already got the bullish move. So it's already done what this candle said it should do. So now it can do what it wants to do. And if it wants to close bearish, then that means the next 30 minutes should follow its word of advice, whatever. And the next 30 minutes should then drop. But if this 30-minute candle closes bullish, then it's very likely that we might get another push up, because this 30-minute closes bullish and the hourly still is open and bullish. It should continue up. So hopefully in 9 minutes we close. Any type of bearish will be good, unless it's like all the way down here. But like right here, anywhere in between here, that'd be good for some sells down. But as long as it closes below this resistance, even if it closes bullish but underneath the resistance, then we can still get some sells down. Like this one closed bearish, this one closed bullish, but it was under resistance. The next candle came down anyway. But this is how I wanted to close right here. This one exactly. We gotta push up. This one pushed higher. This one pushed higher. Then it closed bearish as a shooting star. This is called a shooting star candle right here. So we get this one come down. This would be even fatter shooting star. That means we should have even more volume. See, this one closed the shooting star and it pushed down 3 points with a 4-point top wick. If that's one closed bearish with an 8-point top wick, then this has potential to come 7 points down, bigger move. Well, we got 7 minutes to sit on our hands. We'll see what happens. If it closes above, then buys will still be considering. unfortunately, the market is giving us mixed signals. QQQ is ranging, but SPY on the other hand, it's in the range, but it's came up once, rejected. It's came up again, and now this 5-minute candle is about to close bearish. And if it closes bullish, then the range is kind of filled already. We can't really take buys anymore. And if it closes bearish, then it's kind of making me feel that the buyers aren't really here, and this might actually fake us back down. Because I mean, it is kind of closing where I wanted it to for a 30-minute, but it's kind of coming up here and double topping and everything. We got a nice push up, topped out right here, came back down. Now we're coming back up, retesting the top. If it breaks through here, that's only a 2-point move, barely a 3. That's not really a good range we want to trade. So I mean, it's best to wait until it breaks through all of this. We do gotta see how this 30-minute opens. If this 30-minute opens, give us a nice bottom wick, and then we might still get in on the flip, and then my stops are just gonna be wherever the bottom wick is. But this 30-minute could just flush down hourly, then closes bearish, and then the rest of the day we continue down on the hourly. I would like to take sales anticipating this thing dropping, because it's kind of coming up here and creating some resistance. Everything's kind of setting up, and the stops aren't really that bad. If you get in on the flip of this 30-minute, I do not really like that much. 30-minute close above, but no bottom wick. It's creating a top wick first, so this can easily flip and bust back down. It's touched highs again, didn't break through yet. I think I'm gonna take a stab at these highs, and then we're just gonna wherever the current lows, the current highs, that's are gonna be our stops. If we on the 1 minute right here, I got sell stops in. We're at the top of the range. I personally don't feel we're gonna break through here. Like yesterday, we broke through. Crazy drop out of that. So I'm gonna take a stab at it. My stops are at the lows. If it breaks this, and then my sell stops are down here. My stop loss is gonna be above the current highs right there. Alright, we just got put in the trade. If we break through these highs, and I'm gonna put it at 3, just a nice solid number. It's a risky trade like last time, but last time I let my stops get too big. This one stops are small. Looking for it continue down, cause this 30-minute doesn't have a bottom wick. Looks like we're about to hit stops. Alright, yeah, it's a stop trade. I took a stab at it, but it doesn't want to come down yet. But this 30-minute had no bottom wick, so I'm expecting this thing to start coming down sooner than later. And then we can catch something on the downside. Break through these highs now. Either the market is going to break through these highs, or we should start to fall back down. market is probably just in some bull trend. There's all these buys getting bought up. I don't like bull trends. I like sideways price action. Kind of boring when you just go straight up. Daily highs are broken. We could continue upwards. Yeah, it's a nice bull run right now. gonna call it there because we kind of got a nice big move. You're gonna need some type of pullback, especially when this 30 minute doesn't have no top wave. We already pushed everything, so I can't really take any buys without a pullback. And I feel like the market might just go sideways or just keep grinding higher. And I can't take a grind higher. You gotta get in on the lows. You want the big move. I'm gonna call it there. 2 for 1 for 2, 2 for 1 trade today.